Okay, so today we'll be making slime. You'll need 2 spoons, a thing of school glue, 4-ounce bottle, red food dye, or whatever color you want. You need the borax, 2 mixing bowls, and a measuring cup. So, first off, you will get your bowl, and you will get your school glue. And for this, you want to empty all your school glue into the bowl. And make sure all of it's out, because every little bit counts. Okay, now you want to put half a cup of water in your school glue. Then you want to put, I'm going to do 6 drops of pink. But you can do whatever color you want and how many you want. And then you just want to mix really well. Okay, and you want to make sure there's no little white clumps or anything, and then whatever color that is, that's what color your slime will be. Okay, now you want to set that aside. Next, you want to get your other mixing bowl. You want to get the borax. And put a tablespoon of borax in there. I don't have tablespoons, but let's see if this works. Okay, then you want to get a full cup of water. Pour that in. And just stir that really good. You want a lot of that borax dissolved, but it won't all dissolve. Just stir it really well. Okay, next thing you want to do is get your glue and your water and your food coloring and pour it in. And as it goes in, it'll turn into slime. Okay, then you want to stick your hands in. It's going to be really slimy, so you gotta be careful. I mean, not really careful, but just, it's messy. So, do it somewhere that you can clean up. So probably not on a rug. These little things falling off. Just want to kind of squeeze them so they get all the water out of them. Just bring them up here. Okay. Once you got most of it out, you can put your bowl aside and you can just start playing with it. So once you start playing with it and like squeeze it really well over the bowl, it'll start getting a lot more thick and it'll become slime. See? So it's super thick. And then like, to get this stuff off, you can just kind of rub the slime up against it and it'll pick it up. At least for me it works like that. If you get any of the slime on your table, you can do the same thing. But after a while, after playing with it for a while, it should get pretty thick and not as wet anymore. So just keep on moving around. I think it's called kneading it. And you just want to move it around. And you got your slime. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe below if you made it successfully, comment, and thank you. Have a good day.